stick to one track because I shifted from DSA to front end. So I will just suggest them to go with DSA, means go with the development first, and then afterwards, if they have the means if they want, they can go to DSA and all those DSA and data analytics and MERN stack development. They are means the it's much easier and more jobs are present there.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back with another testimonial. Today we have Govindraj with us. Govindraj is an AccioJob alumni who recently got placed in Alphonse Technology as a developer. Govindraj has done his BTech in the year 2020 itself, that too in computer science. So today we talk to him and try to understand how his entire journey was with AccioJob, why he wanted to upskill himself through a bootcamp even though he had his graduation in CSE, and how he was able to land this job. So do make sure that you watch this video till the end. But before moving forward, take a moment to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you're always notified on all our upcoming videos. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the session. Hi, Govindraj. Thank you so much for taking out time to do this with us. Can you quickly introduce yourself to our viewers?
Myself means Govindraj. I am currently working in Alphonse Technologies because of the help from AccioJob that I got. As you told, I joined AccioJob in the month of November 2022, which was my end of my fourth year. After my after joining AccioJob, I went to basic DSA modules, and afterwards I joined front end web development module, and after that, clearing the placement module in the month of November, I came to for means placement. I was eligible for placements, and after that, in the month of January, Alphonse came, and in Alphonse they basically kept a hackathon for hiring 6 people, 3 from front end and 3 from back end as a team. So in that hackathon, me and my team, basically me and Manipurna, another guy, we both are from AccioJob only, we participated, and basically they liked our presentation, whatever we did. And in the month of 2 weeks back, they basically rolled out, or they basically told us we had got the offer, and afterwards I had my joining yesterday on 1st April.
So, Govindraj, you have been selected as a full stack developer in the company, right?
Yeah.
And
Full stack.
yesterday was so yesterday was your joining. So how is the work like so far? Like because you're gonna be working as a full stack developer. So tell us what project you got, or what are you working on now?
It's more of a quality and innovation based. It means
Okay.
it does not. It may basically whoever joins, he basically the company increases their skill and knowledge, and more concentration is given on the quality of the code that he's writing, not on the speed. They basically, the team is also good, and the project means we are currently in training. For the first 3 months, they are giving us training, and all the full stack latest technologies like Angular and Spring Boot we are currently learning. From today, we are currently starting to learn.
So Govindraj, you are someone who has done his graduation in computer science only, right? And you must have taken computer science in 10th or 12th as well. So tell us a little bit about the decision towards, why you wanted to upskill yourself through a boot camp, right? Because I'm sure you must have started learning coding on your own also in college. So what were the difficulties that you faced that you thought that you should be joining a boot camp?
When I first saw AccioJob, so my first intention was basically for DSA. I have heard the reviews of AccioJob that the DSA course was in the that market condition now also, the DSA course is much better than whatever the remaining one the remaining people are giving. The remaining means for organization, training institute, educational firm are giving. It's much better than them, and it was all the features like mentorship and 24/7 mentorship, chat session, doubts, and the live classes, the projects that we have to do, and monthly projects, and then the placement assistance, and then even after placement assistant, the placement assistance, and basically they will help us in a lot of way. So I had heard about it on YouTube and online, so I joined for DSA. But after joining DSA, the basic I did, I I got interested in the front end development, the full stack development which was present in AccuJob. So it was
Hmm.
more interesting than DSA. So I joined full stack MERN stack development and started learning. Afterwards, yeah, after 6 months, the basic 7 months, after 7 months I had my placement eligibility mock. After that placement, whatever the readiness in the training the AccuJob users, we went through it, and then we just were hiring applying for companies, and in
Hmm.
within I think 1 month, I on November I had my placement, and December and in January I got the Alfonso. So the this entire, because this was a hackathon, so it
Hmm.
took 1 month for the hiring process. So
Okay.
for the entire 1 month, the placement assistance was very good from AccuJob, and whatever
Hmm.
the doubts we used to ask in the chat session or doubt session, they used to clear it. And also
Hmm.
means the hackathon, basically it was very hard for us at start. So there were many doubts, and
Hmm.
uh, basically it was for 1 week. But even after 1 week, we did not have any code, anything written, because we were not able to understand. So I
Hmm.
think we had a meeting with Lakshit, the placement head, and he basically helped the talk with the Alphonse team, and they
Hmm.
extended the deadline by I think 7 days. They extended deadline by 7 days. They gave us 1 more week. So because of that, we
Hmm.
were able to perform well. And yeah,
Okay.
all these features, if we see, it's good. They helped, and also Rana Pratap was the placement assistance of my Alphonse drive. So basically, he helped us in a lot of ways, like asking the queries, doubts to the Alphonse team, all those.
So, Govindraj, like you are mentioning that you joined AccuJob with the intention of getting better at DSA, right? But later on, you also learned MERN, and you basically have learned both. You have become very good at DSA plus front end both, right? So, tell us a little bit about how the journey was in terms of what you used to find difficult and how you used to tackle those ups and downs that you got in your entire 1 year journey, because you joined AccuJob right after you graduated in November 2022 itself, right? So it's been more than a year for you. You have studied both the things. So tell us, how are the ups and downs like, and how you tackle them?
As I told, DSA is little bit harder when compared to the development of MERN stack development. So
Hmm.
I basically it was also a reason why I shifted to MERN stack.
Okay.
I completed 2 modules of DSA, but it was a little bit harder for me. And basically
Hmm.
the placement of my mentor at that time, they
Hmm.
suggested that go for MERN, do 6 months of front end, do front end, then afterwards come again for go to placement, and then while doing the placement come again for DSA. That time, because you have doing development, your knowledge and skill will be increased, and then you can cover whatever the remaining intermediate DSA, all will be there. You can clear it, and you can solve the problems. So for that reason, I shifted to front end.
Govindraj, like you're saying that आपने पूरा एक साल like you just gave it to AccuJob only, you were just consistently studying. So did you feel any kind of pressure from your parents maybe, or if some of your friends might have gotten placed somewhere and they might be working, so did you feel any kind of pressure that you also need to crack a job fast? And if you did, how would you deal with that kind of pressure?
Means basically, yeah, actually last year recession came in 2023. So by the time I graduated, uh,
Hmm.
90 means all the whatever the software companies were hiring, they basically stopped. So after that,
Okay.
for some months, I know that no one will hire means the hiring has frozen in many companies. So
Hmm.
yeah, there will be pressure, but
Hmm.
you should use that to your game means just use know them understand it and work harder, like that.
Hmm. As long as you're consistent with your preparation and doing well, somehow, like very soon you will be able to crack it. So now let's play a small rapid fire round, right? I'll just be asking you a bunch of questions, and you can let me know whatever comes to your head first, right? So, which first question would be, which is your favorite coding language?
Was Java, but it is JavaScript now,
So, are you someone who likes to study late at night, or are you an early bird?
or early morning.
And if you had to describe your entire journey with ArcheoJob in just one word, what would that be?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
It was very good.
And if you had to just give one advice to someone who is just starting out with his coding journey or is a bit hesitant towards it, finding it a little bit difficult, what would you like to say to them so that their entire journey is also a bit smoother?
Stick to one track, because I shifted from DSA to front end. So I will just suggest them to go with DSA, means go with the development first, and then afterwards, if they have the if they want, they can go to DSA and all those DSA and data analytics and MERN stack development. They are means it's much easier and more jobs are present there.
That's quite a unique piece of advice that I have gotten like recently, because a lot of people, whoever, any student who comes in here, they mostly just tell on the lines of that, a student needs to be very consistent and hardworking. But this is a good piece of advice that students should be sticking with just one thing so that they are able to achieve results faster there. So that will be all from my end, Govind. Thank you so much again for taking out time to do this with us. I hope whoever listened to this will surely find it insightful and will start their coding journey as soon as possible. Thank you so much. We wish you all the best for you.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you.
So that will be all from our end. I hope you all found it extremely insightful with Govind. And if you guys are also interested in learning coding, just go to the website and take the aptitude test. The test will help you in identifying which course is best for you. All the courses have amazing instructors, be it MERN stack or Java full stack or data analytics. So do make sure that you check out the link provided in the description box below. And if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you're always notified on all our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.